Hi there.
Hey Jeff, you ready for my 10 questions?
You bet. Why don't we go for a little walk here? We'll grab a coffee and then we'll go for a quick walk out in the warehouse.
So, Remodeling Magazine recently released their 2023 Cost versus Value report for home renovations. What does that report really mean?
What it looks at is the renovations that people are doing, the cost of them, and then what the return is after they've been done. So, as an example, if something costs $10,000, they give you a value of what they think would happen if you sold that house later, what it would be worth. Would you like a coffee?
No thanks.
You're good?
I'm good. So what do you think about the 23 products that made it to the list?
Here's a vest for you.
Thanks.
Well, there's everything on there. As usual, there's washrooms, kitchens, all the different types of renovations. But primarily, ours, what was neat was Manufactured Stone ended up in third place on this one, on this report.
That's great news. So what does that mean for CSI?
Well, what it means is we sell Manufactured Stone Veneer, and with MSV coming in to be third on the list, it's a renovation that people should look to do. The other thing that's really interesting about it is you get 102% return on it, which really means if you've invested $10,000 on a renovation, you're likely going to get $10,200 back because it's 102%, which is the first year that's happened.
Wow, so the resale value is higher than the cost for MSV. How's that even possible?
Well, it's what people want. If you look at a lot of surveys that are done, people like stone. It is a building product. It's timeless. It's something that has beauty, and it's very versatile.
What does that mean for other stone products like natural stone veneer and stone siding?
Well, they'll all be involved in that. But what was happening is the report is done specifically on MSV, of which we carry cultured stone and Dutch quality. But all our products, TerraCraft, Versetta, Pangea, all of them would fall into the same format.
So what can a typical homeowner expect when renovating with stone veneer?
Well, it depends on your project. That's a hard question to answer. I mean, if you're doing an exterior, it's different than doing a fireplace, than doing a show wall in your bedroom. So there's all those options out there. So they'd have to look at each one to get pricing for that.
So now that we understand the value of stone veneer, what can you really do with it?
Oh, there's so many options. Obviously, you see the exterior of a house. There's show walls in the interior. There's fireplaces, wine rooms. I mean, the versatility is backsplashes. It's endless, really.
For any homeowners looking to renovate, what would be their first step in finding the stone of their dreams?
Well, I mean, right away, start with us, www.allthingsstone.com, which is our website. On there, you'll find a ton of resources. We have a visualizer so you can see your project live, which you get a real feel. You can put your house on there. Of course, you can go to our dealers, which have showrooms, our sales reps. You can call our customer service. There's many options for you to learn about our products.
All right, Jeff, one last question for you. You got time for another 10?
No, I think I got other things to do.
All right, see ya. Thank you.
See ya.